Is it the right time to make a move on the SPY ETF? Let's dive deep into it. We initially released a report on our website on Monday, February 12, 2024. Today, we're here to share an even more detailed analysis with you. Don't forget to stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, liking this video, and turning on the notification bell. We don't want you to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate with a score of 3.72. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 16.32% since we first listed SPY as a buy candidate 69 days ago. This means an average return of 0.24% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is currently within a strong upward trend. This creates a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks the top trend line at $501.96, it would indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 10.8% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 7.64% and 11.01%. For the 12-month trend, we can anticipate an 18.85% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 2.86% and 18.96%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $515.29 to $595.99 after a year. Our latest daily update for SPY brings a stronger technical forecast for the SPY ETF price after Monday's trading. On the last day, which was Monday, February 12, 2024, the price of the SPY ETF fell by a small margin of -0.0359%, going from $501.16 to $500.98. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 0.652%, starting at a low of $500.24 and reaching a high of $503.50. It's worth noting that the price has been on the rise in 6 out of the last 10 days, reflecting a positive trend. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has increased by 1.98%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can actually be seen as a positive sign, as volume should align with the ETF. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by -15 million shares on the last day, with a total of 48 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $24.04 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price the ETF reached was $503.50, while the lowest price was $380.65. Currently, the price stands at 0.5% below the 52-week high, which translates to $2.52. It's important to note that this high of $503.50 is also the all-time high for the ETF. Let's take a look at the signals for SPY. The SPY ETF is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of market corrections, there will be support from the lines at $497.02 and $482.12. If the stock falls below these levels, sell signals may be issued. Moving on, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also shows a buy signal. However, there have been some negative signals that might impact the stock's near short-term development. One such signal was a sell signal issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 9, 2024. Since then, the stock has fallen by -0.0359%. It is anticipated that the stock may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that the volume of trading has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. In the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023. This is a rare and significant combination where the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line align. Such a signal is often followed by substantial gains for the ETF in question. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals that can help guide your investment decisions. The first signal is the moving average convergence-divergence, which indicates a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands also provided a buy signal 2 days ago. Additionally, the short-term moving average showed a sell signal 10 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a sell signal 20 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 64 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 53 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for SPY. When it comes to support, SPY has found a solid level at $482.91. This is important because when the stock is tested at this level, we can expect an upward reaction, making it a potential buying opportunity. SPY is known for its controlled movements and high liquidity, making the risk associated with this stock very low. In fact, the ETF only moved $3.26 between its high and low points in the last day, which is just 0.652% of its value. Looking at the past week, the ETF has had an average daily volatility of 0.535%. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for SPY. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY stands at $501.16. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. On the other hand, if you already have SPY shares, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, SPY faces its first support level at $482.91. If this support holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop-loss for this ETF is $482.98, which represents a decrease of 3.59%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, making it a low-risk investment option. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed just 1 day ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe there is a buying opportunity for the SPY ETF. Our analysis has upgraded the ETF from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, February 13th, we anticipate the SPY ETF to open up $0.593 and begin trading at $501.57. Before we dive into the content, it's important to keep in mind that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, let us know your target for the ETF. And if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. We hope you have a successful trading session and a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.